I just finished assembling this warehouse cart that can actually hold 2,000 pounds. This is super, super solid. Obviously, it is on wheels and it is locked right now, which is why it's not moving, but I can definitely unlock them really, really quickly. What surprised me the most about this build was that, first of all, there's no instructions, but it's clearly very easy to put together. There's literally just, panels to put up, and the only way you attach them is by these screws right here that are provided. Obviously, these are at all corners, and you can disassemble this whole thing. So I can open this up and have this cart be a cart that has 4 walls. I can take down one wall here. I can take down the other wall here. I can take down this part over here, provided I take down the screws on the side. But yeah, very, very versatile, extremely large. I wasn't expecting this type of size. It does come with extra screws as well if ever you need some. But yeah, love the fact that this platform, and let me just turn it to the side so you can actually see how sturdy that is on the bottom. It is fortified, it is reinforced all throughout, so it's not going to sag to the middle here. It actually is really strong. Yeah, and like I said, the only thing that you need to take off walls is literally you just slide them up. They're not screwed in, but once they're in, they actually are really, really tightly in. So yeah, can't wait to try this out in the warehouse.